Welcome to methamphetamine. Today we are going to do the integral of 1 minus cosine of 2x over pi square over x squared going from 0 to infinity. You know, we have a constant 2 over pi square here. We like to use the that's called Feynman technique, right? Feynman technique. I of a is equal to 1 minus cosine of something. Consider 2 over pi square is just a constant. Constant a and then times x, right? And then divided by x squared dx. So I'm going to differentiate both sides with respect to a. So I'm prime of a, which is, and then let me just what is as 1 over x squared times this, right? Times the derivative of this, which is, and then differentiate 1, you get 0, and then differentiate this. Differentiate cosine, you get negative sine, and then in front, because we have a negative sine, so it becomes positive sine ax. Because we are differentiate in the a row, so x is just a constant, so you are going to multiply by extra x, which is this. So what is the integral of sine of ax over x going from 0 to infinity? And you are going to get a really famous result, and this result is just equal to pi over 2, right? Sine of x over x going from 0 to infinity. You can start use your substitution, let u is equal to ax, and you will get the integral of sine u over u going from 0 to infinity once again. So you will get a pi over 2 here, and then I'm going to integrate both sides. I'm prime of a is equal to that, and then integrate both sides with respect to a. So you get I of a is equal to integrate pi over 2, you get pi over 2 times a. However, though, we are going to add a constant here because we are integrate both sides. We are integrating both sides in definite integral, right? In indefinite integral. So we get I of a is equal to pi over 2 times a plus c is equal to the original integral I of a, 1 minus cosine of ax over x squared dx. So let me just put down a constant here. Let a is equal to, don't let a is equal to don't let a is equal to 1 because we do not know what is this, right? And let me just let a is equal to our 0 here. You get pi over 2 times 0, which is 0, plus c. And then cosine of 0, which is 1. 1 minus 1, which is just 0. So for all integrate 0 going from 0 to infinity, which is 0. So you get a constant, it's just equal to 0. So ladies and gentlemen, our I of a will be equal to pi over 2 times a. So this integral, 1 minus cosine of 2x over pi square over x squared dx. The 2 over pi square, which is just our constant. So this is equal to pi over 2 times 2 over pi squared. So this 2 and 2, they cancel each other out, and then this pi and this pi, they simplify to pi. So over you get the answers. The answers is 1 over pi, and that's it. The reciprocal of pi.